Now, if you are asked to sketch the graph of y equal to 2 ln x plus 1, how to sketch that? You have learned how to draw y equal to ln x. Then you have learned how to draw y equal to 2 ln x, and now you are asked to draw y equal to 2 ln x plus 1. A constant is being added with this whole function, so this whole curve will rise 1 unit. So this time the curve represented by this equation will look like this. And what about this y equal to ln 2x plus 1? With this function we have added a 1, so this curve will rise 1 unit upward. So this curve represents the equation y equal to ln 2x plus 1.